In the previous video, we've shown you how to set up your model for 3D printing. Now we'll show you how to export your file to the 3D printer and how to actually print it. When our print is set up correctly and everything looks okay in the layers view, we can send our print over to the 3D printer. We have two options here. We can send our file to the printer over the local network, or we can save it to a USB flash drive. In order to send our print using the local network, the first thing we have to do is to set up this network. We can do this by powering on our printer, going to the settings menu and then choosing network. Over there you can select the network you want to use and enter the correct password. Once everything is connected, you can now go back to the main menu and select the Info tab, where you should now be able to see a wireless IP address. Over in the software on the computer, you can go to Printer and then select Add Network Printer. If the 3D printer doesn't automatically show up in here, you can manually enter the IP address by clicking the Find Printer by IP address link. Here you can enter the wireless IP address that you can find on the info screen of the 3D printer. The printer will now show up on the left side of the screen and it will show which color is loaded. In our case it's blue, and how much material it still has left. In order to start your print, all you have to do now is click the print icon on the right side. Click print and select OK. The print will now start and you can monitor it by going to the printer web monitoring tab. This will show you a live stream from the webcam that's mounted in the printer. This way you can monitor the printing process from your computer and even cancel your print when something goes wrong. If you prefer not to use a local network, you also have the option to export your print via a USB drive. Insert a USB flash drive in your computer, then go to File and select Save G-code. Give your file a name and be sure to save it to the USB drive you just inserted. You can now put this USB drive in the 3D printer, select Print and select the file you want to print. A preview will pop up on the display and now you just have to press the play button in order to start the print. The printer will remind you to check whether the building platform is clear before you start this print. The printer will now start heating up, and once it has reached its operating temperature, it will start printing. Our print itself is now finished. In the next video, we'll show you how to post-process it.